Hello guys, this is Prince!
And Awie. Today we are going to unbox the Secretlab Titan EVO Misfortune Edition.
From the League of Legends collection!
Woohoo!
Yeah! I'm so excited for you because actually this is my second Secretlab and this is your first! Let's go!
Alright, let's go and set sail!
So I'm just here to assist you because I already built my own Secretlab before.
Wow!
Oh wow!
Oh!
Here we go! Check this out! Sheesh!
Back-to-back design!
You're like checking the map. Where should we travel next?
I never thought my whole life I will have a gaming chair.
Oh!
I remember working at the table with a plastic stool. Now I have a Secretlab.
Yeah.
I'm so excited to unbox this and build this myself.
This is
Finally.
your major upgrade.
Major upgrade.
This is a major upgrade. So thank you so much, Secretlab, and thank you so much to Bent Pixels Asia for this Secretlab chair. Obviously, she's very excited to the point that she cosplayed Miss Fortune. Oh my goodness, she's so
it.
good! I'm cosplaying Spirit Blossom set. I'm sorry, this is my only League of Legends cosplay. I should do more.
Viego!
I should do Viego.
Do Viego next
I should
time.
do, I think I should do Graves for you.
Yes, we should.
Yeah! Here we go!
It stands.
Oh, okay. The armrest. Final touch. Final touch. The armrest.
Warning, strong magnet.
Yes! Woo!
Wah!
Okay, so how's the experience building your first Secretlab?
It was fun and I fell in love with the design, obviously. But I fell in love more with the top grade materials from the memory head foam pillow, ergonomic lumbar support, armrest, seat base. It hugs my butt. This is a premium gaming chair experience.
When it comes to Secretlab, it's always comfortability at its finest. So there you go. If you want your own Secretlab chair, don't forget to check the link in the description so you can check out more designs from Secretlab, especially from the League of Legends collection.
Woo!
I love Viego. Secretlab, I really love
You should
Viego's.
get the Viego one.
I hope you enjoyed this video because we enjoyed it so much.
And I hope you love our cosplays too to match our
Yeah.
Secretlab chairs.
Obviously, I don't match right now because I'm super colorful. I wear Spirit Blossom, but yeah, do you guys have any suggestions? What League of Legends character or hero or champion should we cosplay next? Please comment it down below.
And don't forget to check Secretlab on Shopee and Lazada for their 7/7 sale.
Yeah, undo to cart now. Okay, this is Prince.
And Awie!
See you in our next video.